What are these bugs? Are they harmful to my tomatoes? And this is Ken. Well, guess what, Ken? We see these bugs pretty much every year, right? We get the pictures, I get the pictures at the office every year. So those are the leaf-footed nymphs of the leaf-footed bug. That's what the adult will be. So leaf-footed nymphs. And the reason why they call it leaf-footed is because if you look at their hind legs, right, or leg, they have a leaf-like extension on their leg. So that's why they call leaf-footed nymphs or bugs, right? Yeah. Will they cause problems?
They're not a major problem. They may make a little bit of deformity in the tomato itself, but as far as something that's going to kill your tomato plants, or if you don't do something, it's not a major issue bug.
Right, yeah, they're plant feeders, of course. No major problems. They may, make the fruit, like you mentioned, look misshapen or, something like that, a little cloudy look, to it. But outside of that, no major damage. Yeah, I would pull out the hose, something you could do.
Wash them off.
Wash them off. Insecticidal soaps for the nymphs would definitely work. You want to target the nymph stage, life cycle, of course, of the leaf-footed bug, and I think that'll work. So an insecticidal soap, read and follow the label. Oils, read and follow the label. I think you'll be fine. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.